On a previous episode, we won a storage auction in Tucson, Arizona for $168. We pulled out some nice Fender guitars, an electric guitar. There was seeming to be, like this was going to be a jackpot type of unit. It has collectible trucks. Everything was looking nice, but today's video, guys, is going to break down a reality, a sad reality, a pathetic reality. So let's see what we do today. More bags of stuff. All right, slowly going through the unit here, we're in the back. Notice something here that may have me thinking that maybe somebody already went through these. Look at how they're ripped, right? Some of them weren't ripped, some of them are. You can see the holes in some of them, like people are peeking through. Like here's another one, just a rip, just to check and see what's in there. So I don't know, maybe it's definitely questionable, but it's actually mind-blowing that somebody had this much clothing, to be honest with you. Freaking dirty pigs. Absolutely disgusting. I'm gonna ride all night long. As America's Leadership Academy. She ain't leading in the way of cleaning clothing, that's for sure. This stuff could have been condensed. That tells me that somebody was in a hurry to get the heck out of Dodge. And just craziness. Just dirty, rotten, filthy clothes. It's pretty disgusting. Rockstar Mayhem Festival. Oh, it's got Slipknot, Disturbed. Maybe that's worth something. Yep. Who throws dirty clothes in a bag? A pig. That's who does that. A complete pig. I mean, look at this. There's vomit. That's complete vomit right there. Alright, let's what's in this bag. Oh my gosh. It's such a bummer when you come across stuff that people are just freaking slobs, you know? It's pretty frustrating. Yeah, here. Crofton Burrow vest. And then here, just a random basketball thrown in. Oh, here we go. Oh my God, I got them Coach shoes. Coach shoes, these look brand new. Be nice if the other one was here. Keep that over here, that's nice. Now they're going to make it difficult for me. They're going to make me go through every bag here to pull out the other Coach shoe. That's what's going to happen here, Jack. We got here some kind of bling bling pants. Sell those at the flea market. This Sonoma. Old Navy. Harkins Movie Theater. 2015. Darn it, I can't get my free popcorn. Old Navy. And, you know. Oh, here. Are you kidding me? Look it. Here it is. The other one. They are in good condition, but the soles and the heels have some wear. So, I was getting... Maybe we'll sell those locally. Alright, so here's our bag of clothing. And an empty bag. Grab another bag. Oh, 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 Merry Christmas. Let me hear. What is this? I'm just waiting. I know this sounds absolutely disgusting, but I'm actually waiting for just the bag that just is just wrong. You know what I mean? Like somebody just went number 2 in the shorts and just left it in the bag for me here. So it seems like whoever this person was, if they were a chef, or worked at a restaurant, a cook, didn't like doing laundry, so there's just tons of stuff, and they're filthy, you know. An extra bag. All right, here's another one. I will give her credit for knotting some of these up so I can reuse the bags. That was really nice of you. Thank you. This guy that's probably running this facility, he's got the cameras. He's like, who the hell is this guy talking to? All right, here we go. Okay. Any more cool concert shirts? That would be nice. That's an MMA shirt. That'll sell locally. I got a little pile for stuff I'm taking. Here's a bed sheet. Just not clean. None of this is clean, you can tell. Yeah, it's like every shirt's just got freaking particles of food on it. I mean, there are empty wine bottles here. Maybe she was freaking getting hammered after work and just drinking so much, just passing out, and you know, the kid's Minecraft shirt. You never know, people. That's the strange thing. Yeah, so you can get more work pants. I'm sure these are sellable, but I'm not even going to keep them, to be honest with you. I mean, here, look at this. This is disgusting. Look at that. A Lego shirt. Kid's Lego shirt. Look at, oh my God, look at this. Gross. I'll wash it all. I mean, obviously I'm going to wash all this clothing before I sell it to people, but this is disgusting. I mean, look at this. Disgusting. This woman should be ashamed of herself. I hope she watches this video. You know, one, I'm sorry that your stuff's gone and you couldn't pay your bill, but you know, you don't also have to live like a pig. You know what I mean? You really don't have to live like a pig. You knew you were moving out, and you knew you were putting this stuff in there a certain period of time. And, you know, this is the reality, though. I'm not complaining here. Hollywood Undead band shirt. I'm not complaining because this is my job, but, you know, it's not all glamorous because you're digging through people's garbage, you know? It's the craziness. These are all underwear, bras. I mean, when I talk about, I don't even want to show you the underwear. It's just, it's filthy. It's disgusting. It's absolutely disgusting. So another bag to donate. Load them up, coach. I mean, this is a problem where people just store crap in units. I think the manager here told me this was $150 a month to store this stuff. Why? Take it to the dump. It's trash. You know? Alright, need a new attitude adjustment, that's for sure. Oh my God, what have I got myself into, people? Well, this unit is definitely getting frustrating. I'm going through all this clothing, and I don't understand, like, how do you rip your pants like this? There must have been 7 or 8 pairs of pants ripped right in the ass, right there. I don't know. This is really becoming... It's just frustrating. No doubt about it. It's, I'm going through bag after bag after bag of clothing, and it's not even like decent clothing. It's just trash. Legitimately trash. So, let me get a little backup view here where you can see. I mean, that's all just trashed out clothing and, you know, dirty, filthy clothing. Like complete pigs. That's how many bags I've broken down into these. I did get back in here. Let's see if we can get a little light back here. And see what we got going on. That box down there has hangers. There's that sleeping bag. This was actually a TV stand with some kind of thing there. I don't know what that's for. I've got one tote back here. That one box we couldn't get out, that's right there. And then the rest of these are just bags of clothing. So this is going to be a rough unit here. I'm really hoping to God these guitars are worth a fortune. Not just a fortune, just enough to break even, because it's dismal. I haven't gone through any of these totes here or any of those other boxes. You know, I'm feeling deflated, because there's nothing like buying a unit and getting all excited, and then at the end of the day you get here and you're like, oh my God, it's just your worst nightmare. And that's what this is here. It's a nightmare, and it's a lot of work going through these clothing. So it's just been it's been a good hour and a half since the last clip. That's what I've been doing here, and I'm almost done with the clothing. Like I said, I'm just going to take the totes out here. I'm going to take the guitars. I'm going to take everything out except for stuff that I'm either going to donate or take to the dump. I'm not familiar with this area here in terms of where a dump is, so I'm going to have to come back regardless, because I don't even think I should be donating this stuff. That's how bad it is. But I'm not finding a lot of personal things, just a lot of clothing, and a lot of like different size clothing. So my mind's starting to think, man, did somebody plant this unit, showing those guitars there and then all that, and then it just turned out to be junk? Because there's men's shirts size 3XL, and then there's little kids clothing, and there's women's clothing, and so I don't know. It is what it is. You just gotta suck it up. I gotta suck it up, big boy, right? Suck it up and keep pushing forward. So let's knock this out. Again, if there's anything interesting, I'll chime in here and we'll do an update on the video, no doubt. It's pretty gnarly. Look at this. And then all of that there. Those are all the bags I've condensed. That's nuts. Okay, making progress here. Got all these totes right here to load up in the van, and got some stuff here. That's a bag of clothes that I'm keeping. Some of this stuff here, and then we got the guitars still. I'm gonna put those in the cab of the truck. That is all from here forward, just donations and trash. I mean, it's that bad. Do have the 7-foot Christmas tree. I'm gonna grab that, but everything from here forward, minus the guitar, it's just, I don't know, I really feel like just leaving it here, but probably not the right thing to do. Kind of a depressing unit, that's for sure. So I'm gonna clean this up and get on the road. Last little batch of stuff I'm taking. That's my bag. That wasn't in the unit. This is all just junkage. I got a couple more things I'm going to take out of this unit. This little tote, that gray tote, that basket, that bag of clothing, and the Christmas tree, along with the bike, mirror, and the rest of that is, as far as I'm concerned, is trash. So I got to figure out the dump fee here in terms of what it is locally, because if it's greater than $50, it makes no sense to haul it off and spend the money, right? I'm just keep my security deposit, because that's what it was $50, and then I just come up here and grab some of this other stuff. But I don't know, that's for me to figure out. But yeah, not the greatest unit, and it'll be rough to make some money on this. Time will tell. Well, I made it home here, and I lost 2 lids on the highway somehow. Pretty crazy, but this is 95% of what's in this unit that's keepable. I had a tote sitting right here, and the wind was so bad that it turned it upside down, and it had all the Hot Wheels in there. So all the Hot Wheels were probably flying over the highway, and then I noticed it, and I'm like, oh shoot, and I pulled over. But pretty crazy. Just kind of sums up this unit. Alright, so this unit was not the greatest, and it's kind of a Debbie Downer, but storage units are Debbie Downers. I mean, majority of the time, you know, these units somebody's losing all their possessions, you know, and it's sad at the end of the day. But there is no excuse for filth, and I'll be honest. I mean, it was filthy. It was absolutely filthy. The clothing was disgusting, and the person should be completely embarrassed about it. In terms of money value, not sure. You know, we'll see how things go. You know, this is my business here. This is what I'm doing. So I'm buying units to make money, not to you know, make people feel good. You know, I got to make money with these units, and it's just frustrating when you get a unit like this that you get all excited for. And it was going great in the beginning, but at the end, it turned out to be a nightmare with just the pure filth in the clothing. So, so I know some of you guys will understand, some of you won't. Some of you are going to leave comments saying I'm mean and, you know, how dare I judge somebody. But, you know, if you've been around like I have been around, you totally understand where I'm coming from. So appreciate you guys watching the video. Stay tuned for more videos. We got some unboxing to do with this. If you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe. There's more storage unit videos coming here in the future. Again, thanks for watching. Be great. And remember, remember this. If you're going to put stuff in storage, wash it. Okay? If it's garbage, if it's filth, if there's vomit on it, just do yourself a favor and everybody a favor. Throw it out. Thanks for watching. Be great. 292. All finished up.